Chapter 16. Lean is like learning a new language. Learning lean is a lot like learning a new language. At first, it might seem confusing or even a bit strange, but the more you practice it, the more it becomes natural, just like learning new words or phrases. Lean is all about finding better ways to do things, looking for waste, and making small changes that add up. When I started with lean, I felt like I was constantly looking around for things to improve. Over time, it became easier, and now, spotting waste and making improvements is just a normal part of my day. It's kind of like becoming a detective who can see all the little things that could work better. The best part? Lean never gets boring because there's always something new to discover. Just like with language, the more you learn, the more you can do. And when everyone around you is speaking the lean language, it makes teamwork stronger too, because you're all looking for ways to help each other improve. Try it out. Think of one small change you can make today, like keeping your pencils organized or putting your backpack in the same spot. Keep practicing lean every day, and soon it'll feel as easy as speaking your own language. The one thing. Do you notice the good things others do? Lean isn't just about improving things, it's also about noticing when others do something awesome. When we recognize each other's efforts, it makes everyone feel great and keeps us excited to keep improving. Win with lean. Look for something nice or helpful that a friend or classmate did today. Tell them you noticed. It'll make their day. The lean takeaway. In Chapter 16, we learned that lean is like learning a new language. The more you practice, the easier it gets. You just keep spotting waste, making small improvements, and helping others do the same. It's fun, it's useful, and it brings everyone together. Chapter 1 taught us the lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Chapter 16 taught us that lean takes practice. Now let's go to Chapter 17.